In RPG Maker, Autotiles are specially formatted images that the engine reads, and then uses them to draw a tile's edges and corners. They are mostly used for tiles that will appear on the lowest layer of the map, such as water, paths, and walls. To dissect how autotiles work, open the tile sheet in your image editing software. If you're using a 48x48 tile set the grid to 24x24. This is how the autotile is put together in RPG Maker, as the engine will slice the tiles to a smaller size and then put them back together. The 48x48 section in the top left of the autotile is used purely as a thumbnail in the engine for selecting tiles to place on the map. This can look however you'd like it to, but they're typically displayed as a single tile of the autotile. The 16 24x24 tiles in the bottom of the autotile make up the edges and exterior facing corners of the tile. These middle 4 tiles are how the middle section of the autotile will look when placed. Then, the 2 tiles on each edge will be placed as repeating tiles for each directional edge. And lastly, each corner tile will be placed in the exterior facing corners. The 48x48 section in the top right of the autotile is used to display the interior facing corners. This is the section where 2 edges meet in such a way that the tiles are perpendicular, and an extra piece of tile is needed to make that interior edge smoother. A good tactic for making your own interior facing corners is to copy and paste the main, large section of the autotile in your image editing software in an overlapping pattern. Erase the section in the middle, and then draw your own corners where the edges meet. You can then copy and paste each 24x24 section back onto the original autotile. Wall and roof autotiles work in the same way as these, but they only use 4 48x48 tiles, as they're typically only meant to be placed in square shapes. Thanks for watching.